Welcome to Disney Theme Park World.
We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Hi there folks, let's take a look at new Frozen themed land construction site update as of November 2019. This new land is called Arendelle, World of Frozen, and expected to be open in December 2021. As you can see on this construction wall, it says Summer Snow Day preparations in progress. And let's have another perspective look from Flying Elephant Dumbo. Look at that beautiful transformation of Castle of Magical Dreams. Here comes an aerial view of the construction site. Do you see those cranes with the little pixie dust? There's Mickey's Feel Her Magic. Here comes the second view. Okay, here comes the last look. We're slowly flying over the future Arendelle, World of Frozen. Ta-da!
Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day. Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.